today's video, I'll teach you how to find trending product on eBay. So first of all, launch open eBay application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here eBay has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So on eBay, you'll not be able to find the specific category for trending. But what you can do is simply tap on the category of product that you would like to buy. Or you can also search for it by tapping on the search bar. Now simply search for the product. Here I'm just going to search for fashion products. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to see the top categories. That means these categories are quite trending and popular. What you have to do is tap on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to see the product that you selected over here. At top, you'll be able to see the top brand as well as top styles. That means these brands and styles are popular and trending. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the results over here. Normally, the more trending product will be recommended by eBay at first. So you can simply buy the product recommended by eBay at beginning only. So like this, you'll be able to see the trending products. So that is how you find trending product on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.